How to fix Messenger auto logout problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and check your internet connection. So, unstable internet can force Messenger to log out, so you can switch between Wi-Fi if your Wi-Fi is not working properly to mobile data, and you can switch to Wi-Fi if your mobile data is not working properly. The next fix is open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Messenger and make sure the Messenger application is updated to its latest version for you to be able to use Messenger smoothly, as auto logout is common on an outdated versions. Next, go ahead and open the Facebook app and then tap on menu on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on logout and then tap on logout again. Log yourself out and then go ahead and log back in and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, open settings on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to Messenger and make sure to offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Messenger application. You can then go ahead and tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app. Delete the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will refresh the app and update its latest version. Lastly, in settings again, tap on general and then on date and time and make sure the toggle button for set automatically is enabled, and if not, then enable the set automatically toggle button, as wrong time settings can break sessions. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Messenger auto logout problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.